Hi guys, we're back for the second video. Now before we go onto our desktop that we can actually use in class, we need to download it first, don't we? Because it won't magically appear anywhere like a unicorn or a horse with 10 legs. So what we need to do here is go to www.raspberrypi.org and go to the download section, and here you will find the Raspberry Pi desktop. Now this is for x86 machines, so that's mainly any machine that you can think of, okay? And it will run, okay? You need to download the ISO. This is the most current one, and it will show you the most current. So you just click there and download it to your system. I've already downloaded it for you, so we don't have to do that bit, but this is where you need to go. I will put this in the description when I've finished, but you'll know how to get there if you run a code club. So next we want to flash it to a USB drive, okay? Now some of you may not be familiar how to do this and are a bit worried about doing it. The best program to get for all formats, that's Linux, Mac and Windows, is Etcher. It's free to use, it's easy peasy. So if I scroll down here and you'll see the ones you can get. If you're not used to using computers at all, just get the Windows installer for Windows, Etcher for Mac OS, it's all in one. Don't worry about the portable ones. Obviously if you've got 32-bit computers it's different, but most of you won't have 32-bit computers anymore unless you've really got some old ones in the cupboard, okay? If you have got a Linux machine like I have and some machines I got at school, you'll go and get an app image. You don't need to know about that. So all you would do is download your installer of choice, which mainly for you lot would be for Windows x64 or the 64-bit machines. Once you've got that, you're really good to go, okay? So here's Etcher on my machine, so I'll open it up for you. There it is. Now I'm going to chuck in a USB 3 key here. I think it's USB 3, I can't remember. And this is a 16 gig key, and there you see it comes up, no problem. Now the reason I say use Etcher is really you can't really crash your own hard drive. It makes it easier for you. So now we need to select an image. So it's a USB key here. There's an image we want to choose. Now the image I want is in downloads. If I click on downloads, and there it is. 11th of the 4th, 2019, RPD x86 stretch. RPD stands for the Raspberry Pi desktop, okay? For x86 machines. It's in the words. It's like most stuff in computing. It's in the words. It's in the description. It tells you what it does. So we're going to open that. And open that again. No, I've done that wrong. The select image. I've done this last time. I don't know why. But it is easy, I promise you. We're just going to open that. And there we go. This is why I need to upgrade to the latest version of Etcher. See, we can make mistakes. Everybody does it. But just go back and do it again like I did just then. Well, we're all ready to go. And we flash. Now for me, it's going to ask for my password. So I'm going to type that in. And now it will start flashing the USB key. Now 2.5 gigs should take around 2 minutes. Around about 2 minutes. And then it checks the USB again. And after that, off we go again, basically. And that's really all you need to do. So what I'll do, from this moment on, I'm going to speed the video up, and off we go. Okay guys, it's flashed the USB drive, so it's getting ready to go. It's going to validate it to make sure everything is hunky-dory and ready to use when we go to our machine, which will be for the next video. Though this bit doesn't take too long. That flash actually took nearly 4 minutes, so much longer than normal, but hey, one of those things. It's finished, super, we're done. It tells you we're finished. We can now close Etcher down, and here's our USB drive. Okay, we can open it if you want to, and you can see what's inside it. I'll double click it for you, and here's all the Linux stuff inside. We do not need to use anything in here, okay, whatsoever. We don't need to use it. It will do everything itself, okay. So try not to play with it, possibly if you can. And that's all you have to do. Simple. So the next video you see will be in our next desktop, and we're going to go from there and show you how to do and use stuff there. Hope you like the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.